Hey everybody, so there's been a lot going on in my world, and I know your world too. So my goal for this video is to basically show you where you can eat, drink, shop, and sleep in Provincetown. Finizzi's is my go-to for good food, good service, and one of the few that have stayed strong offering takeout, which I definitely took advantage of. And the outdoor dining works perfectly for lunch and dinner, and you can't beat the view. Other restaurants are getting their season started following the policies given by our governor, requiring a lot of social distancing. No signs of the Mayflower opening. And there will be public transportation. Check out the new Lobster Pot Express. Bars are closed and unlikely unable to open at all unless they have table service. But there's nothing to worry about, with plenty of places following the guidelines. And for this season, there will be no tea dance. Shopping in Provincetown is always a thrill, and the shops here in town are doing everything they can to follow the policies in place to ensure your shopping safety. And that includes the art galleries. Obviously, the Tucker Inn is the first choice to stay when staying in Provincetown, but many of the hotels and bed and breakfasts will be open. We are about to slowly open the inn and are prepared and ready to do everything we can to ensure that you get the pampered treatment everybody loves while we follow the regulations set by the state. Whether it's breakfast or your afternoon snack, we're prepared to follow all precautions. We will have social distance seating areas throughout the property, offering space and a way to have company. We are even trying to figure out events we can have where we can social distance together. So yeah, like all of us, we've never seen anything like it, but we're gonna do what we can to live our new normal, or the normal like it is right now. But we're hanging in there. I hope you are too, and I expect I'll be back in a few weeks with another video to let you know what's going on. Thanks for watching, everybody.